Derek Dunstan. I'm from South Florida and I work with a Perfect Party Rental. And today I am going to be teaching you how to make an animal balloon on Blowin Up Animals. Not really. Well, first off, you're going to need a 260 cube. Something that's very important about this is that you never blow it up all the way. This is something called slack. With this extra slack, I'm able to twist more. If I were to blow this up all the way, I wouldn't be able to do anything. So we just kind of did halfway. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to make a 1-inch bubble. And now I have a good frame of reference for how long I want my inch bubbles to be. I'm going to make another bubble by just bending it over until I see how long that is. So I'm going to cut it off right there. Give it a good twist, make sure that's locked in. And then what you're going to go ahead and do is bend that one over, make sure that that one's a good amount. See that? So now I have 3 bubbles, but what I'm going to do is just bend over this third bubble into the second, where they're touching like that, and twist. Now I have the nose and the ears. So we're just going to do that 2 more times. Once for the front part of the body. See, 3 bubbles. I'm going to bend and twist. And now I'm going to do that just 1 more time. See that? Perfect. I don't want to just leave this tail right here. I want to be able to make it fancy, so I'm going to squeeze it out a little bit because I had that little extra slack there. I'm going to take 2 fingers, Scout's honor, and I'm going to go ahead and twist that tail around with my fingers. Just wait a second, just make a nice coil and just wait long. And slowly let it go. Oh, and that's pretty nice. And there you have it. Thank you so much for joining us on Blowin Up Animals. Make sure that you like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section. Otherwise, thank you so much for viewing today.